Okay, I'm going to make you a crab quiche. Quite straightforward, dead easy to make. So I've prepared the pastry. It's just blind baked, 15 minutes. Butter, flour, water, straightforward. Half fat to flour. I say that's hot, so it's just come out of the oven. So next thing, the ingredients we're going to use are the blue crab meat, double cream, 5 eggs, some chives, some spring onions, some red onions, and some cayenne pepper. First thing we're going to do is we're going to blanch off the red onions and the spring onions, and we're going to pan fry them, but without any colour, so that when the quiche is done, it can be a soft bite, not a hard crunchy. So we've done the onions and the spring onions. We say they're cooked, soft, but not coloured. So we'll put the pastry, we'll put these in the pan. Try spreading them evenly so they all get a piece. Okay, so for the mix for this, we're just going to mix everything together. The eggs, the cayenne, and the chives. Okay, so we've got the ingredients together. All we're going to do is we're going to mix them together. So the double cream in with the eggs. Good mixture. Okay, we're going to put some salt and pepper in, just to season it. Drop it in, just put about half a mountain. Then we're going to put the crab meat. So just sprinkle it across. Plenty, plenty. And then a little bit more salt. And that goes into the oven, 180, for about half an hour.